Hey sweetheart, so in this video we will be redoing the blinged out DIY charger, the gold DIY charger. So for this video you will need an 8-pack of foam brushes from the Dollar Tree. This is glitter, fine glitter from Walmart. This is the Sparkle Mod Podge from Walmart. And then I just have these two little acrylic glitter dust paints that I really didn't even use, but I just had them just in case because that's actually what I used in the other one. And then this is just a styrofoam plate that I'm going to use to mix my Mod Podge and my glitter because I didn't feel like dirtying a bowl. It's actually the end of the evening and I will be taking a shower and getting ready for bed after this. So let's get started. I've opened my pack of brushes. As you can see, I've taken out a larger brush and a smaller brush. I'm going to mix my Sparkle Mod Podge and my glitter together. I'm drinking coffee, guys. You can hear this. I'm editing this video early morning and I am drinking my morning coffee. And as you can see, I used a nice amount of glitter for this. I'm just going to take the end of my brush and mix it. It's so funny because this glitter looks exactly like the glitter that I have on my fingernails. So I'm just trying to go around the border of the charger as evenly as possible. Trying to keep it nice and neat. I don't want to go down into the center of the charger. I'm only putting the glitter around the border. And as you can see here, I'm taking the smaller brush, and just cleaning up the excess Mod Podge. I don't want it to go down into the center part of the charger. Now, I am now doing the second coat. As you can see, I've added much more glitter to this one and less Mod Podge because I want the glitter to get thicker at this point. And now I'm adding the glitter. I'm going to go around this and just fill in each spot with the glitter. I'm going to add as much as I think I need to cover the whole perimeter. I'm taking my brush and just kind of flattening pushing the glitter down into the Mod Podge, because I don't want you to, I don't want the glitter to, after it's set, I don't want the glitter to come off on your hand. So I'm pushing it down into the Mod Podge. And then there's one more step after this. And I'm just turning the plate just to make sure I get this on each part, just to make sure I get it nice and even. I'm just making sure that every area is covered, and I'm cleaning up the outer perimeter with the brush. The excess Mod Podge that fell over the edge, I'm just cleaning that up. Okay guys, I've allowed the charger to dry overnight. I'm shaking the excess glitter off. Making sure I get all the excess off. And now I'm going to go back around it with another layer of Mod Podge just to seal the glitter in so that the glitter does not come off on your hands. When you go to store it, you won't pick it back up and half the glitter will be gone. So I'm just sealing the glitter in with the Mod Podge right now. Yeah, so just continue to go around the whole plate with your Mod Podge, sealing that glitter in. Don't forget to continue to go in and try to keep that inner line even. So you want to keep a clean brush just to go around the inside and keep it nice and even. You want it to look as professional as possible. You don't want someone to look at it and say, oh, did you make this? You want it to look like you went and bought it at a store. Just because it's a DIY does not mean it shouldn't look professional. And here we are, guys. I've allowed it to dry. And look at that glitter. Look how multifaceted it is. It's so pretty. I love it. You can see so many colors in it. So I'm going to clean the plate up, clean the area back up, and then I'm going to style it for you guys. But look at that. So pretty. I just love it. You could do so many different things with that. Look at that. Now, do you see how evenly that glitter is laying on the plate? Is nice and flat because I kept going back around it and cleaning it up, patting the glitter down into the Mod Podge. And right there on that little end, if you can see that, I can just like peel that right off. It's just like a little clump. I'll take a little piece of sandpaper actually, and just sand that down. Now, I didn't show you guys that, but it's pretty simple, and you don't even have to do that if you don't want to. Just shaking off that excess glitter that was on the inside of the plate. But that's it. All right, guys. So, let me get you. Let's turn it this way. Okay. All right, guys. So, this is it styled. I simply have a rectangle burlap placemat from IKEA. I have a little wicker or rattan yellow placemat that I actually got from a resale shop. I think I got 4 of them for $1. The charger plate, of course, which is so beautiful. Look at that. I decided to use a smaller plate, a rectangle plate, because I really wanted you to be able to see the border of the charger, the whole border, and then just a bowl, just a odd-shaped bowl with a linen napkin that I just pulled out of the drawer, guys. Forgive me, it is not ironed. And I simply just kind of spread the two folds apart just to give it this little like a petticoat or ascot design. But that's it. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I hope this was more of a DIY for you. I hope you got, the gist of what I did. Really easy. It was under $10. Let's see. The charger was $1. I say the glitter and the Mod Podge is $1, so that's $3. And what else did I use? The paint brushes, that's $1. So you got about $4, right? For a blinged out charger that you can use for a centerpiece. You know, you can just put a nice vase on top of it. If you do table decorations, you can use it for, candied apples, candies. I use these things for everything. So because I didn't finish my charger series because I had death in the family, I'm going to go back and we're going to name this as charger number 1. And I will work with the silver charger next. You guys remember, if you go back to an old DIY with this blinged out charger, remember I did the silver charger with the thin layer, the thin strip of bling around it. So I'm going to go back and redo that charger as well. Alrighty, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about the blinged out charger. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This is a variety channel. I do DIYs, vlogs, home improvement, home decor, mukbangs, all types of things, challenges, all types of things. So if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe bell. So if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a video. I try to upload a couple of times a week. If I can, every day. Sometimes I have to take a couple of days off because I do work full time and I work more than one job. And I'm a single mom. So please support my channel. I appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning into Savvy TV. I love you guys. Bye-bye.